Welcome to Coldface. Thank you for your patience, support, and partnership. Social media has dramatically changed the way we interact as friends, employees, and even as business owners. Coldface was built with one goal: to transition the sales industry from the telemarketing model onto a social platform. That's right, no more cold calls, no more interruptions. Through trials and tests, we have come up with the best possible formula that gives you the upper hand when dealing with the telemarketers. So one may wonder how this is being accomplished. Simple. Coldface is turning the table on the entire telemarketing industry. Imagine that you're hard at work when your phone rings. You have to answer it because it can be an important call from a client, a partner, or even a family-related call. Unfortunately, it's just another salesperson with an offer to sell you insurance, stock, or something else you're not really interested in. Instead of wasting your time listening to the sales pitch, you can simply explain to the telemarketer that you'd like to have the information emailed to your Coldface account and give them your Coldface affiliate profile. In order to send you or any of our members the information via Coldface, salespeople will have to sign up as paid users. Since you are the person who referred them to our website, you'll be getting paid for half of the entire sign-up fee. In addition to this, we charge our members on a monthly basis, which means you will be getting recurring income from telemarketers just to send you offers. And just like that, you're now able to review the offers via a Coldface profile. And keep in mind, this will be at your own convenience and on your own terms. And at the same time, each phone call you receive may result in hundreds of dollars in your pocket. Unfortunately, this system needs at least 3,000 members in your area in order for it to work. Based on your zip code, it looks like we're still gathering more members near you. For the time being, simply enjoy our articles and pictures of interest, submit your company press release, or sign up for some free advertising. We'll be sending out periodic emails to our members, and you may even see your ad in there. Coldface is working very hard to give you your time back. We're working even harder to help you make money on every unwanted telemarketing phone call you get in the future. And most of all, we're working hard to make this company just as much yours as it is ours. Coldface. Conduct business on your own terms.